Hello, Pestilence here, and I have an unusual lock. An unusual lock from the past. Ooh. Okay, it's not this. This is an Abus. An Abus discus with the plus core. Ooh. Works nice. And I cannot pick it because I don't have the pick that I need. Not saying that I could pick it if I had the pick, but I can't pick it without the pick. No pick, no picking. Okay, so why do I have this? Because this I found to have a twin of sorts. This is a Russell Erwin circular lock with the key. And I don't know how old the string is, but okay, we'll release that. Okay, there we go. So you could almost say that this was the forerunner of this. This padlock, let me take a look at my notes. Okay, it's a 2 1/4 inch circular padlock, and I found this in the Russell Erwin catalog, the 1865 dated catalog. I also found it listed in an 1886 catalog, Russell Erwin catalog, but not in their 1899. That would lead me to believe that this padlock was manufactured from the late 1860s, anywhere up to 1899. Since I don't know in between there when production had stopped. So, nothing more than that. I'm not going to pick it. I just thought that was pretty interesting. Here's the keyway. And there is the key. I love these old keys. In and of themselves, they are very interesting. And these are it's all made out of brass. So there we have it. Get out there. Kind of interesting. So, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. Stay legal.